In science today, we're going to continue learning about living things. And today we're going to talk about non-living things. So yesterday we looked at some plants and we talked about what a plant needs to survive. And so a need is something you have to have in order to continue to live. So a plant needs water, a place to live, air, and sunlight. So I want to show you a picture of some living and non-living things. Here's a picture of a park. There's a girl riding a bike, some people having a picnic, a playground, a cardinal, a mom and her son. Now let me read these vocabulary words down here for you. Living things. Living things are alive. They need air, food, water, and space to live. Non-living things are not alive. So take a moment and look at the picture and try to find some things that are non-living. Non-living things can move, but they don't need things to survive. So if I look at the picture here, what is something that is not alive? Non-living are not alive. Look at the bicycle. A bicycle is a non-living thing. It can move when you rotate the pedals and the wheels, but it's not alive. A bicycle doesn't need air, food, water, or space to live. How about the park bench? Does a park bench need food or water? Nope. How about the swing? Does the swing need food, water, air, a space to live? It does not. It's not alive. Now I want you to find some things that are alive in the picture. What needs food, water, air, and a space to live? I see a few different examples. I see people. People are alive. We are people, humans. We need air to breathe, water to drink, food to eat, and space to live. There's something else in the picture that's alive. Can you find it? I'll give you a hint. A bird. A bird is alive. A bird needs food, water, air, and space to live. So can you tell me the difference between something that's living and something that's not living? What do living things need to survive? Food, water, air, space to live. So now I'm going to show you some pictures. We're going to sort them together. And you're going to do this in your writing journal, but you'll only pick one thing for each side. I have a couple different examples. So on this side of my board, I have living. On this side, I wrote non-living. If it's a living thing, it needs food, water, place to live, and air. If it's non-living, it doesn't need anything. It doesn't need anything to survive. So let's look at this picture. Fork, spoon, knife. Is this a living thing that needs food and water? Or is it non-living? Where would you put it? Non-living. Forks don't need food. We can use them to put food in our mouths, but they don't need anything. It's a non-living item. Okay. Sunflowers. Are sunflowers living things or non-living things? Do sunflowers need water, a space to live, air, and food? Yes, so it's living. So I'll put it right here. Let's go to the next one. Markers. Are markers living or non-living? Do they need water? Do they need food? Do they need a space to live? No, they are not alive, so this is a non-living item. How about our national bird, the bald eagle? Is it living or non-living? The bald eagle is a living thing because it needs food, it needs water, it needs air, and it needs a place to live. A couple more. A dog. Is a dog living or non-living? Where should I put it? It's living. A dog is a living thing because a dog needs food, water, a place to live, and air to breathe. One more picture. A bed. Is a bed living or non-living? It's non-living. A bed does not need water, does not need food, does not need a place to live, and does not need air. So in your writing journal, I want you to draw a line just in the picture part, and I want you to think of something that's living. Try not to use one of my examples. Look around your house, go outside, draw me one picture of something that is living. If it's living, it needs air, food, water, and space to live. On the other side of your notebook, I want you to write non-living. Draw me one picture of something in your house or in your yard that is not alive, non-living. It's just a thing. And that is what you will do today. And then after you draw your pictures, explain to your helper what living things need and why non-living things don't need them. Living things need food, water, space to live, and air. So now it will be your turn to draw one picture of each in your writing journal and explain it to your helper.